Hi guys, so I haven't done a video in a while and let's get straight into the makeup. The first thing I'm going in with is my Drunk Elephant moisturizer. This is actually a travel size and I like it a lot because it's not too heavy and it goes great under makeup. And yeah, now I'm gonna prime my eyes with some concealer, and this is the e.l.f. hydrating concealer. I'm gonna list everything in the description box for you guys to know exactly what I'm using if I don't remember exactly what it was. And in today's video we're going to be using Jackie Aina's palette. I'm so super happy that I got her palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the first color we're going in with is Ginger. This is a nice light brown transitional color, and this eyeshadow look is going to be pretty simple, pretty easy. That's what I've been into lately, simple easy makeup looks. I don't know if it's because I'm a mom now or whatever. I just feel like my makeup looks don't take as long as they used to. Credit is the next color I'm gonna go in, and that is a deep dark brown color, and I'm just gonna put that a little bit lower with a more denser packed compact brush. And this brush is from e.l.f. I think it's, or LA Colors. Yes, it's from LA Colors, the LA Colors eyeshadow brush, and I actually really love these eyeshadow brush. I find them at the dollar store all the time, and I'm gonna put that dark brown in my inner tear duct area and also at the edge, and I'm gonna leave the middle portion completely blank because we're doing what they call a halo eye, or a spotlight eye is what some people call it. I'm just gonna blend that, making sure both ginger and the other color is blended together. Ginger and credit is blended together. Next, I'm going in with Sponsored and Dollars, and I'm gonna put those in the middle portion of my eye, right where that space is left. I'm gonna put down Sponsored first, and then on top I'm going to put Dollars to make sure it's popping, and it's going to pop on my eyelids. I feel like this is a perfect eyeshadow look for fall because it has your browns, it has your greens, and it has your golds. So I feel like it's a perfect fall makeup look. I'm showing you Dollars. I'm gonna put that in the center portion, and I'm gonna go back in with my blending brush and blend that together again. Now I'm going in with my lashes, and I'm showing you guys how I do my lashes. I put on some on my lashes, and this is the Kiss Lash Glue. This glue is bomb, okay? This glue is indestructible. This glue, it takes forever to get off my lashes, but it holds your lashes. And I'm actually using 25 millimeters lash from -27.com, and I'm also going to line my eyelids with some lash glue. This is the fast way to do it if you're in a hurry and you want to get your lashes on in quick fast, like literally within like 2 minutes. You line your lash line with the glue and then you pop on your lashes. So now I'm going with my foundation, and I'm using the Born This Way in Caramel and the Born to Glow in 16, in the number 16, and I'm mixing both of those, and I'm gonna use that as my foundation. I don't know about you guys, but my skin tone is very weird, and it's very hard for me to use one single foundation. Okay, I'm in between a medium and a tan, and sometimes I'm in between a light medium to a dark medium. Like my skin tone shade is very, very weird, and I'm always trying to find my perfect match. But since I can't find it in store, I like to mix it myself, and I've been mixing my own eyeshadow since I can remember. So I'm moisturizing my skin again with my Drunk Elephant, and then I'm gonna apply my foundation to my face. As you can see, I like to lay down my foundation first and then blend it out, because when I lay it down first, I can tell you exactly where I need the most coverage. I'm going in with the e.l.f. hydrating concealer, and this is in a darker color, and I'm going to use this to just bronze up my skin a little. Now I'm also going to use the e.l.f. hydrating concealer underneath my eyes, and also the Fenty Beauty concealer in 310. I like to mix these two because when I mix them, I get the hydration and the stain power that I want. The e.l.f. give me hydration and the Fenty Beauty give me the stain power. And also, because I have normal to dry skin, I don't have to set my under eye a lot of the times. Using Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, to just set underneath my eyes and set my highlighted areas on my face. I absolutely love this powder. Then I'm gonna use my True Color Complexion Contour and Sculpt from Black Radiance. I absolutely love this. I've been using this for years and I don't see anything that is going to replace this for me anytime soon. But if you have any favorite, comment them in the description box. I have the Fenty Beauty bronzer, but I still go back to my Black Radiance. I don't know why. I'm gonna go under my lower lash line. I'm gonna use Ginger and Credit, and I'm just gonna smoke out my lower lash line. Now I'm using two Milani liquid lipstick. The brown one is in Covet. I can't remember exactly what the lighter color one is called, but I'll link that in the description box. And I'm gonna use the brown one to line around my lips and then use the lighter color to go in the middle. This is actually one of my favorite lip colors. It complements my skin tone so well, and I feel like it goes perfectly with this eyeshadow look. And there you have it. That's the finished look. I should have done my eyebrows. I don't know why I didn't do my eyebrows. I guess I'm rusty making makeup tutorials, but the next one I'll do, I'm sure it will be better than this one. I'm just getting back into the grooves of making makeup tutorial videos, so please bear with me. Now you're gonna see me with my hair and my outfit on, and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.